the Zhi Wing today. And the Zhi Wing, because my Vilta, my SV Vilta, died. The battery just died on me when I needed it the most. So let's see. This looks like it fits in no problem. Let's see if you can turn this on. Where's the on button? You've got the plus and all kinds of stuff, but where's the actual on button? Ah, there it is, underneath. Old technology, but I'm pretty sure will be great. So we've turned it on, but maybe the battery is required or is just not on. So I'm not hearing anything. Nothing. Let's see. We're at part 3 of the video, and
Likey.